Alvara has been an issue for long. मोकासा जशे लँड आशिल्ले Alvara लँड्स आशिल्ले. समज कन्फर्म टायटल आसा जाल्यार पैसे दिवपाची गरज ना, पण तुवें पेपर अप्लाय करपा जाय. आय थिंक द लास्ट डेट इज November 10th. You have to apply, and if your confirmed title is there, you don't have to pay. You will get your title right, and government will certify and update your record की तुझी जागा म्हणून. If you are in possession of the land and if you have paid 20 annuities till now, but you don't have the minimum 20 annuities then you will ask for class 2 occupancy which will be a prescribed free which was never announced till now. आम्ही बिलांतल्यान आम्ही पास करून घेतल्या की क्लास 2 जावपाक ₹5 per square meter पे करची पडटा if that land belongs to you. That ₹5 per land, you have a 2 years time period to pay that type of money and make yourself a class 2 occupant. Class 2 occupant म्हणजे जमीन तुझी तू विकूंक शकना, तू ट्रान्सफर करू शकना, पण यू आर हॅव्हिंग मालकी हक्क. From there you want to do class 1. Class 1 करता असताना you are paying 5% of your sale deed value किती आसा तो market rate किती असता ते. On that particular 5% you pay to the government and make yourself a class 1. When you are a class 1, you are your owner of that particular land fully, and you can either sell or you can keep it to yourself for posterity and do what. From class 1, if you want to sell it tomorrow, then 10% of that fees you have to pay to the government of that particular sale deed value. If all these three adun tu basna and you have encroached upon the land, then you have to pay 5 times the fine for having encroached on the land. And if you have nothing over there but still you are claiming title and you have no paper but chukun tujhe naw aayile this time there are no papers, then the land will be reverted back to the government.
बिल्डिंग आणि कन्स्ट्रक्शन बोर्डाची 13वी मीटिंग शुक्रारा जाली. इतलो ते फक्त स्किमी खातीर म्हूण बिल्डरांकडच्यान सेस एकठांय करताले. आता त्यो स्किमी लागू करूंक तो सेस वापरपाचे थारला.
So आज 13वी board meeting झाली. The 13th board meeting today what we have discussed are all points which are related to creating infrastructure, getting the right standard operating procedures to implement the scheme. The schemes which were there, which have been proposed in the welfare of the people, that have been taken as approval. In terms of administration and other issues what were there, that were given approval. Skilling karpak, where construction side we don't have skilling and other things rightly done, so we are ensuring that the people who get under DOCW registered need to have themselves undergo skilling. की supervisor position म्हणलं जाल्यार एकदा गोंयकार मेळटा काय ना, सकयली लेवल मेळटा काय ना, सो हांच्या खातीर स्किलिंग करपा जाय विथ रेम्युनरेशन्स टू देम. दॅट टॉपिक वॉज डिस्कस.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार.